outside some apartments here. We're selling number 14, and this is Prouts Mews, which is very, very close to the town centre, just up that way. And we're selling the top floor flat, which is the second floor, and it is empty, so there's no onward chain, and there's 2 double bedrooms. It's been refurbished, there's new carpet all the way through, lovely big living room, and the kitchen's been refurbished as well. You've got a new oven and a new hob. Lovely views, fantastic views actually, across towards Dartmoor and the surrounding countryside. Have a look at the rest of the video and then book a viewing.